When you truly believe that you deserve success, your mind will start generating many ways to achieve it. Having said that, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Financial Fitness with CA Ashima Abel Yunus and to this video on 7 golden rules for beginners to plan a great retirement. One must always consider the fact that when you reach your retirement age, you are going to retire from work, but not from life. So it's imperative that you keep this in mind when you begin to plan for your golden years of retirement. Retirement planning is something that a lot of people fail to take seriously in their 30s and 40s. Of course, when an individual suddenly wakes up on the wrong side of 50, elbow deep in debt, they start to worry that they don't have enough savings to get them through their golden years. Thankfully, there are certain important steps that you can take which will help you plan for your retirement even if you are less than 20 years away from saying goodbye to the workforce. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss on any of these golden rules. But before I go ahead with this video, I would request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free. You can just log in on YouTube with your email ID and click on the subscribe icon and share it with your family and friends. And you could also share it in the WhatsApp groups in your phones. I will just take a quick pause for only 5 seconds so you all can take time to click on subscribe icon, like icon and also click on the bell icon that you will find below the video. Please do that while I wait for just 5 seconds. Okay, so now I'll quickly introduce myself for the new viewers. I'm Sia Ashima, a finance professional, a qualified chartered accountant, a certified auditor, and a certified ERP implementation specialist, specializing in tax, finance, IT, and audits. I worked as a partner and a director with one of the top 25 leading CA firms in India, which has also been a member firm of one of the big fours. After working in India for a period of 10 years, I moved to Sweden and have also worked as a senior financial consultant with a multinational and have catered to corporate clients in Sweden, Finland, Norway, Denmark, and the UK. I have also been working as freelance financial consultant. Now let's look into the 7 golden rules for planning a great retirement. The first one is to allocate a fixed percentage of your income towards retirement corpus. A retirement corpus refers to the sum of money that would enable you to lead an easy life after retirement. Properly calculated decisions taken today can save you from unfortunate scenarios post your retirement and also safeguard the future of your loved ones. One must also be careful not to use any part of the corpus, that is the main amount, before retirement. The second is to reevaluate your risk appetite. As you have fewer years to plan for your retirement, now might seem like a good time to make a risky investment that could give you a big payout. Sadly, this is not true. Instead of increasing your risk appetite, you should consider investing in safe avenues that promise a monthly income. A retirement plan with guaranteed returns would be a good investment at this time. So one might consider guaranteed retirement plans offered by HDFC and others. The third is to consider compounding. Compounding is a powerful investment concept that involves earning returns on both your original investment and on returns you received previously. For compounding to work, you need to reinvest your returns back into your account. While investing in a scheme that offers compound interest may have been better if you were in your 20s or 30s, there is no denying the fact that it will still help you build a significant corpus in time for your retirement. To increase your earnings, find yourself an investment that compounds interest quarterly instead of yearly. The next is that you should never disregard debt. Ideally, you shouldn't retire with the sword of debt hanging over your head. Before you retire, make sure you clear any debt you may have. This could include personal loans, credit card bills, or any other dues that you might owe. Another rule is to cut your expenditure. You are not being asked to lower your standard of living. Instead, try and cut corners where you can. If you generally go out to eat every week, try going out just once or twice a month. Don't make a big purchase like a house or a car unless it's absolutely vital. And if you are financially independent, but working children still rely on you for money, talk to them about becoming self-sufficient. The next is that you can plan to postpone your retirement. If you are active and healthy, you could consider pushing your retirement back a few years. Instead of hanging up your boots at 60, you could work until you're 65, allowing you to earn and save for another 5 years. Moreover, it helps to keep your mind and body both active, but do it only if your health allows. Also remember that you can postpone your retirement, but do not postpone your retirement planning. The last but not the least is to make a move. It may seem bizarre, but retiring in a different city from the one you work in could be a financially prudent decision. In the metropolitan cities like Mumbai or New York or Stockholm, everything from transportation to housing and even groceries are usually high priced. On the other hand, if you were to move to the outskirts, your outgoings would decrease significantly and you could retire and age happily. Ideally, you should start planning for your retirement right from the moment you start working. But if you have put off saving till later, don't worry. You can still enjoy a comfortable retired life as long as you remember to take these 7 important steps. So friends, now it's time to wrap up this video where we looked into the 7 golden rules for planning a great retirement. You can also watch my other videos where I have shared information about different schemes for making foreign remittances like $1 million scheme for NRIs and LRS scheme for residents, tax benefits and tax exemptions for NRIs as well as residents on sale of a property, tax benefits for returning NRIs like RNOR tax status, and many other videos relating to financial planning and investments, which are not only relevant for NRIs but for all others as well, like best investment tips for beginners, how to invest in international stocks, and benefits and risk involved in overseas investments, and many more. I hope you all will benefit with the information shared in this video, and if you find this information useful, then please make sure you click on the like icon and please do subscribe right now if you haven't done that yet. You just need to log in with your email ID on YouTube to subscribe. That's it. It's totally free for all. So do it right now. Subscribe, like, and share. Share it with your family and friends, and do share it in the WhatsApp groups in your phones as well. So with that, I wish you all a happy living. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.